Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save your ScreenFlow project on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application ScreenFlow. In order to now save the project, you will have had to record a video of your screen. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, click on ScreenFlow. We have it entitled project. For this video I recorded, it was all about how to get the information for any folder. Let's now save this video that we are working on. Save to the desktop. Let's now call the video how to get information for any folder on a Mac computer. Click on save. We are now ready to close the file as we now see it on the desktop. So that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.